expand and simplify this expression. So first off, I want to multiply the coefficients into all the terms inside the brackets like this. So the 4x would stay the same, plus 3 times 2x, so 6x, and 3 times negative 5, so minus 15. And then I have 6 times 1 and 6 times negative 5x, so minus 30x. And then I find the like terms. First I have 4x plus 6x minus 30x. So that's 10x minus 30x, which is negative 20x. Then negative 15 plus 6, so negative 9. And that's it.